Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Igede Marikarma. I am a lecturer at Polytechnic Negeri Bali. On this occasion, I will present our article entitled Application of Ether-based Image Matching Method as an Object Recognition Method. I will divide the presentation into 4 stages, namely introduction, explaining the background of this research. The second one is method, describe the methods applied in this research. And the third one is result and discussion, describe and discuss the test result obtained from the research. And the last one is conclusion, presenting conclusion, application, and suggestion for further research. Let's start with the introduction. Recognizing an object. Human recognize an object based on the shape, pattern, or texture of an object. Humans do not need to observe an object in detail, but only need to observe certain points which then combined into recognizable pattern. Image feature rule. It can be used as reference for recognizing an object. Feature can be recognized because of changes in intensity, color, or texture in the image. Features can be categorized in the form of key point and its feature. Image matching process. Due to its harmonized and stable nature, image features are often used as representation or descriptive characteristic of the image. This is the reason why many object recognition and image matching processes utilize image feature as the basis for their processing. Image matching is the process of matching the feature in the reference image and the target image. This research aims to test the concept of object recognition in everyday life, which is done by matching an object with other known objects. This study will test the capabilities of 3 feature-based image matching method as an object recognition method. The research began by improving the performance of the image matching method first. On this research, we used 3 types of image matching method, which are pitch method, NC match method, and FB match method. Pitch match method is an edge detection-based image matching method developed based on the image matching function algorithm. NC match method is an image matching method using the normalized 2D cross-correlation method, which was developed by modifying the template matching image matching algorithm using the MATLAB command NOR-CORTEX2. AB match method is an image matching method using the point feature matching method, the result of a modification of the object detection image matching algorithm in cluster scan using point feature matching. By using these 3 methods, we did 3 types of testing, which are each sample image is matched to itself with images that have the same category and with a simple image that is not in sample category. Let's look more detail about the algorithm on each method. Pitch method. This method is used to checking whether 2 images match or not based on the level similarity, the white point in 2 images. Declaration: white point 1, white point 2, the number of white point in image 1 and image 2, match white point, the number of white point that match in both images, percentage match 1 and percentage match 2, the comparison of matched white points with white point 1 and white point 2. The steps are: first, input the 2 images, image 1 and image 2. The second one is perform edge segmentation method on both images. The third one is count white point 1 and white point 2. Number 4 is calculate the matched white point. 5, calculate the percentage match 1 and percentage match 2. The sixth one is checking whether percentage match 1 or percentage match 2 is greater than 50. If the answer is yes, that means the 2 image is matched. NC match method is used to checking whether 2 input images match or not based on the Pearson correlation value of 2 images. Declaration: correlation value is Pearson correlation value of 2 images. White max value, the largest value of the Pearson correlation value value of two images. The step 1, input two images, image 1 and image 2. The second one is calculate the correlation value of image 1 and image 2. The third one is set the max value of the correlation value. And the fourth is checking whether the max value is greater than 0.45. If the answer is yes, that means the two image is matched. FB match method. FB match method is used to checking whether two input images match or not based on the number of feature point pair that have similarity in both images. Declaration: number of feature point 1, number of feature point 2 are the number of feature point in the image that are similar to feature point in other image. The step 1, input the two image 1 and image 2. Second one is detect object feature point in both images. The third one is extract and describe the feature point of both images. Number 4 is count the number of matching feature point in both images. Number 5, estimate geometric transformation of the feature point matches. Number 6, count the number feature point 1 and number feature point 2. The seventh one is just checking whether number of feature point 1 or number of feature point 2 is greater or equal with 3. If the answer is yes, that means the two images is matched. As I mentioned before, in this research we did 3 types of testing, which are its sample image is matched to itself. This test is intended to check the suitability of each method as a method for matching object image as expected. The second one is its sample image is matched with images that have the same category. This test is intended to check the ability of its method to match similar object or one category. The third one is its sample image is matched with sample image that is not in the sample category. This test is intended to determine the level of failure carried out by each method in matching or recognizing an object. In this experiment, we use 40 number of object category with 1,190 number of sample. The sample was taken from website www.vision.caltech.edu/image dataset/caltech101. The result that we got were first the result of the feasibility test of the image matching method. From 1,190 sample, 1,145 sample was matched by PIXMAC method. It is about 96.22% of the sample. 1,190 sample matched by NC-match method, that's mean 100%, and 1,187 matched by FB-match method, that's about 99.75%. In general, the three methods have a fairly high success rate, namely above 95%, so they can be considered worthy as image matching method. Image matching test result in one category. From 35,500 number of sample, there are 1,149 matched by PIXMAC method. It's about 3.24%. 14,282 sample matched by NC-match method. That is about 40.23%. And 4,724 is matched by FB-match method. That is about 13.31%. In matching object image in one category, the NC-match method appears to have the best performance, followed by the FB-match and PIXMAC method. The third image matching test result with image outside the category. From 330,600 number of sample, none sample was matched by PIXMAC. 72,528 matched by NC-match method. It's about 21.94%. 11,615 matched by FB-match method. It's about 3.51%. The PIX method has very good abilities in distinguishing object category, while the NC-match method and FB-match method have weaknesses, which mean they have the possibility of wrongly distinguishing distinguishing one object category from another. The experiment results show that image matching ability, all three methods have very good ability in matching image, although the pitch match and FB match method have experienced failure in matching the same image. With a capability level above 95%, the three methods can be considered suitable for use as image matching method. Single category image. In matching image in one category, the NC match method has the best ability compared to other methods. The FB match method is quite capable, while the pick match method is practically incapable. Not one category. In matching images that are not categorized, the pick match method was not successful in matching a single existing sample, while the NC match and FB match method were relatively successful. This shows that the pitch method is very capable of distinguishing objects, while the NC match and FB match method are relatively not. Based on the performance shown by the three methods, the object recognition process is not appropriate if it is only done with one method. Object recognition must be carried out using all the three methods simultaneously in turn. The question is, what is the order of the implementation? Find the answer. We then conducted an experiment by conducting three types of testing. Testing was carried out using a random sample of 100 from 1,190 data. In this test, the sample data will not be matched to itself. The three types of tests were using its method in turn. Its sample is matched to its data using its method in turn. If one method is declared suitable, then the other method is no longer used. The second one is find the best match level. Its sample is matched with all the data using its method to find the object matched with one best match level. If one method is successful, then the other method is not used. The third one, using all three methods sequentially. Samples were matched to its dataset using all three methods sequentially. If the sample is declared to match method 1, the matching process is stopped. However, if it is declared suitable with method 2 or 3, then the matching process continues with the next data using method 1 and 2 or method 1, 2, and 3. If in the next process it is declared suitable with the same method, then the match is selected based on the better match level. Treatment is repeated until it's declared suitable for method 1 or the data is exhausted. There are two types of sequence of application of method in this experiment, namely pitch match, NC match, and FB match. The second one is pitch match, FB match, and NC match. The result of this experiment can be seen in this table. For the first type of testing, first order has accuracy 0%. The second order has accuracy 2%. For the second type of testing, first order has accuracy 7%. The second order has accuracy 5%. For the third type of testing, the first order has accuracy 4% and the second order has accuracy 5%. Overall, from all tests conducted, the result obtaining with the highest level accuracy were only 7%. This result was obtained from the second type of test, which is find the best match level with the order of application of the match, NC match, and FB method. Based on the result of experiment and the previous discussion, it can finally be concluded. First, image matching method based on feature matching function normalized to the cross-correlation and point feature matching after being modified into pitch match, NC match, and FB match have a success rate above 95%. This makes all three worthy of consideration as object recognition method. The test results show a maximum accuracy rate of only 7% obtained from applying the method in order of pick match, NC match, and FB match method. Both processes actually have the same working concept, namely comparing the feature of the two images or objects. Because its performance is an object recognition method is not good, it raises the question what is wrong or lacking in the tree method. This is certainly interesting to study further in an effort to make it worthy as an object recognition method. That's all. If you would like to get to know us better, please do. We welcome opportunity for research collaboration. This is mine, Gede Manikarma, and my co-author is Iketut Dharma. Thank you very much.